Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome to this episode of What the Heck Is, a Learning with BrainSell video series where we tackle the tough questions and not so tough questions about running your business. And today I'm joined by the man, the myth, the legend, and the CEO of BrainSell, Jim Ward. Hi Jim.
Hello, Sarah.
So Jim, thank you for joining us today. I asked Jim to be here because BrainSell is known as a value-added reseller, correct?
That's right, yes.
But there's some confusion around what that is. So Jim, help us out. What the heck is a value-added reseller?
Asked it all the time. Value-added reseller is simple. We sell software platforms, but then we add value by providing the services to implement those platforms. That's the value add. So we provide the training, the implementation, the development, the understanding of application to business with technology. Again, that's the value add.
That makes sense. So when people come to us, or I hear this question a lot, why wouldn't I just go directly to the software vendor like a Sugar CRM or a Microsoft Dynamics and just buy the software from them?
Great question too, Sarah. You know, what we found is all those software companies, the vendors, they make the software and they do a good job at that. They really don't know how to implement their own software. Some of them might have professional services, but again, they're not on the ground day to day with the hard parts of the software, understanding business applications. Our job, which I think is quite different than the vendor, is to understand what the impact on their business, the customer's business is. How are we going to impact the customer's business with software? Because software is stupid. It needs to be told what to do. And once we understand how it affects people and process, we come back to the value add.
That's awesome. Thank you, Jim, for clarifying that for us.
You're welcome.
And thank you, everyone, for joining us for this episode of What the Heck Is. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.